Hey, what's happening, man? So, funny story. Today I was cruising to my local rack store, one of them that is, and I was having a conversation in the comment section on my Versace Hawass video with a good friendly acquaintance, Muhammad. Shout out to you, Muhammad, about this Missoni Wave fragrance. He asked if I got my hands on it yet, my thoughts on it. I told him, you know what, I haven't smelled that one yet, but when I do, I'm going to let you know. I get to my local rack store, and sure enough, I saw it sitting on the shelf, so I snatched it up. And now we're going to talk about it. But before we do, as always, if you like the content, subscribe and ring the damn bell. Oh, my God. So, yeah, this stuff has been getting a lot of hype from people. I don't think I've seen anybody talk bad about it. It's been getting a lot of love. I've been hearing about it. You know, I wouldn't be so inclined to make a video about the same thing everyone else is saying if it wasn't for Muhammad asking about it. And then also, now that I've smelt it, I think it's really worth talking about still. So again, I've been getting hype. I got it. I originally got out to the car and I was like, you know what? I'm going to do a first impression while I'm in my car, but I didn't want to do that. I decided I want to wear this stuff a little bit and give a more in-depth review of it, if you will. So yeah, I sprayed it on. My initial thought was, wow. I started smiling. I loved it right off the top. It's been compared to Versace Pour Homme. Excuse me. It does smell a lot like Versace Pour Homme, but it almost gets like some YSLY DNA in there. Or like some Invictus DNA. It's almost like Versace Pour Homme with like a new jazz about it. It's like imagine Versace Pour Homme as a person, and give him a new haircut and a badass outfit and some bling and some new sunglasses, and you go, whoa, what happened to you? You're looking all brand new. That's what this is like. It reminds me of Versace Pour Homme, but new and improved, if you will. Maybe not new and improved, but with a new flair about it. I don't know how else to describe it. I'm assuming you get what I'm saying. As far as performance goes, I've had it on for 3 or 4 hours now. It's been 4 hours at least, yeah. And I can still easily get it. I haven't gone nose blind. It smells incredible. Very, very nice. It's not redundant if you have Versace Pour Homme, in my opinion anyways. Price-wise, I paid like, what, $32 for this. Steal of a deal. No complaints there. If you're asking me, I say blind buy it if you see it out there. I don't know what the prices are online right now. I'm assuming it's probably a few bucks more than that. I would have no complaints paying $45 for this. Personally, not everyone is going to agree with that, of course. But if you're asking me, this is easily a $45 fragrance, no problem. So if you can get online for that even, you don't want to wait, in my opinion, that's not a bad price. But the rack stores seem to be the best price. As far as I can tell, comment down below if you know better than I do. But yeah, I do want to go over the presentation briefly, although it's not that important. Everyone's always done it. These bottles are nice. Do have the magnetic cap, but the sprayer is what I love. Look at the distribution. Oh, mama. Yeah, it smells very nice. Soapy, clean, fresh, aquatic, blue, generic blue, but it's just got a lot of personality. Like I said 1,000 times, and everyone else has as well. Versace Pour Homme with, I don't know, maybe some YSLY or some, some kind of DNA like that. Some kind of Invictus or just a little more brightness, it's just got this nice pop to it. I think you're going to love it. Short video, not too much else to say that everyone else hasn't said. I just wanted to put my 2 cents in to say, in my opinion, the hype is not bullshit. This stuff is good. So get it if you find it. Until next time, guys, like the video. If you like the damn video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. God bless. Be well. Boom. I'm out.